Yourself Cooking with Benny the Bee. Story and illustration by Obray Cowan. Delicious recipes by Jewlaylay's LLC. To our own little honeybee and daughter, August Ilani Cowan. Thank you for aiding us in the creation of this book. We are honored to be your parents and what you saw. We love you immensely, Mum and Dad. Buzzing while flying so free, Benny spots a new town below that he can see. While stopping at a little pink shop that was on the street, he saw that they sold cakes and other treats. What is cake, he wondered to himself. He decides to go inside and find some help. So many pastries inside, some big and some small. Benny had no idea how he could eat them all. He stood there, eyes wide with wonder and delight, chocolate cakes, fruit tarts, a delicious sight. Hello there. Did I hear you ask, what is a cake? My name is Julie and I can show you so many things to make. There's a lot to do today, so I'm on the clock, but if you'd like to help, I have extra clothes right in that box. Benny looks, and to his surprise, there were clothes in the box that were his very size. With a zip and flash, it was done. In his new clothes, Benny was ready to have some fun. You look great, Julie states. Now let's get cooking, we have a lot to make. He could do anything and create the same, and that's when he realized Chef Benny was his new name. Mixing and pouring, stirring and shaking, Benny found cooking was simply amazing. They created a decadent spread of the finest treats. Now there was only one thing left to do. Eat. Safety first. Be sure to ask for help from an adult when using a stove or when using any sharp kitchen tools. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this book. Should you like to add a copy to your own bookshelf, which includes incredible recipes to cook together at home and the highly sought-after interactive coloring pages, you can find Be Yourself Cooking with Benny the Bee online with all major retailers, August 29, 2024. Where will Benny go next?